If you are considering joining Stock Market Caddy, please know that where you are, the questions you have been addressed by every single person who has in fact joined Stock Market Caddy, particularly the annual members, particularly those folks that went through the Q School. The most overriding question that you have is the same question I would have. Are these tools, is Bagadon's approach, is his guidance going to help me make money over time? Is it going to make me a better trader? Nobody can answer that question. But we provide all of our members the opportunity to go through what we call a Q School, currently a 3-week program, where you get to watch some 25 hours plus self-paced educational videos, but more importantly, an opportunity to trade with us during that time. You get to patch into a Zoom room virtually 24/7. Ask us all the questions that you have from the videos, from your own trading, from something I've said, from something you've seen. It's your chance to vet our tools, our approach, but it's also your opportunity to see if this trading game suits you, your lifestyle, the demands upon your time. We do not suggest that people should eat, live, sleep trading. There are those out there on the internet that say that sort of thing. We do not. We think trading should be down the list of priorities. Yes, it's a passion of ours. Yes, we enjoy it. Yes, it is more than a means to an end, and we hope it will be all of those things for you. But when you go through the Q School, we ask you to keep track of your trading and to turn into us weekly a scorecard so that we can offer specifics and guidance on what it is you're doing to hopefully hone your craft and your trading acumen. At the end of that Q School, you're going to know whether or not trading is for you. How am I going to know, Bagger? Because you're going to have 3 solid weeks plus of trading with our approach, and you're going to have a score. You see, most people don't know how to keep score. And if you don't keep score and don't know how to keep score, it's not possible to make money over time, because you won't know what's working, what isn't working, what you need to improve. Take a golfer, for instance. Phil Mickelson is in the lead for the PGA tournament. Don't you think over the years that Phil, his caddies, have kept track of the fairways that he's hit in regulation, the sand saves, the putts in regulation, so that when he practices between tournaments, he knows what he needs to work on. So when it comes game day, he isn't winging it. He knows exactly what he needs to do, and he has honed his craft. Keeping score, keeping track of what we call a profit factor, where you take the gross profit of a day, of a week, and divide it by your gross loss, giving you a profit factor. You see, if you have a profit factor under 1, you're losing money. If you have a profit factor of 1 to 2, you're making money, but you're working pretty hard. 2 to 3, your trading is above average and you're certainly making money. A profit factor over 3, you turn into a money-making machine. Over 5, it's nirvana. At the end of your Q School, you, not me, not anyone else, will answer that question as to whether or not you have the trading skills to go forward. And we're happy to say that at this time, Virtually every person who's gone through the Q School, with the exception of one, has gone on to be an annual member. And quite frankly, that person, good person, may have sold himself short. He was a little computer challenged. And no, you don't need to be a computer expert or a coder. We will do a lot of that. But one does need to be fairly comfortable working with a computer. So let me show you the scorecards of some past traders. This is a scorecard from one of our long-term members, and it was his first week. He had 14 trades. His profit factor, over 56. For every dollar he lost, he made $57. Let me show you his next week. This is Ed's second week. Profit factor, 7.8. This is Ed's third week. Profit factor, 36. This is David's first week. Profit factor, over 10. This is David's second week. Profit factor, 7.8. And I'm sorry, I may have shown those out of sequence, so let me just back up here. This was his third week. I apologize. This was his second week, and maybe I didn't. Those are his 3 weeks. This is Miklos. It actually isn't negative, it's positive, as you can see. A profit factor over 5. This is Miklos's second week. Profit factor not negative, it's actually 2.44. Gross profit divided by total loss. This is Miklos's, he had a 4-week total. 15,000 net over 4 weeks. 179 trades, profit factor 2.65 over 4 weeks. This is Gary's first week. Profit factor 91. 91 his first week. The following week for Gary. Now you may be focusing on his net. I'm focusing on the profit factor, 23.82, making $23 for every dollar he lost. The following week for Gary, 29. Now the dates, I'm not, sometimes the dates are a little bit off, but this is fairly recent, over 29. The truth is, we have dozens and dozens and dozens of scorecards. In the end, it does not matter what anyone else does. Not Ed, not Gary, not me, but you. The opportunity is there for you, for each and every person. When you sign up for the Q School, we're going to guide you. You can send us your scorecards. We will offer you guidance each week. And as a member, you're more than welcome to send us your scorecard. There's a lot that we can glean. The opportunity is yours. It's up to you to answer that question, whether or not trading is right for you and fits in with your life, your family, your career, your other career, or maybe one day it's a full-time career. If you'd like to reach out, feel free to give me a call at 813-758-8263. We're also prepared to schedule 1 hour. We'll set up a time and a date, and we'll give you a glimpse of what it is we're doing day in and day out. Thanks so much for your time, and we hope to hear from you, and we wish you the best. Thank you.